युक्रेनात शिक्षण घेवपी आनीक 2 विद्यार्थी गोंयांत पावले। तातूंत दवर्लीचे रशोल गोम्स आनी कुठ्ठाळेच्या एका भुरग्याचो आस्पाव आसा। वट्ट 5 गोंयकार विद्यार्थी युक्रेनांतल्यान सुरक्षीत गोंयांत पावले। फाटल्या कांय दिसां पासून रशियेन युक्रेना आड झूज सुरू केल्या। हातूंत जायते जाणांचे बळी गेले। दिसान दीस झूज अधिकूच जायत आसा। ताका लागून केंद्र सरकारान युक्रेनांत शिकपी भारतीय विद्यार्थ्यांक भारतांत हाडपाची मोहीम सुरू केल्या। ह्या मोहिमे खाला जायते भारतीय विद्यार्थी भारतांत सुरक्षीत पावल्यात। हातूंत गोंयकार विद्यार्थिनी रुपल गोसावी, रोशल गोम्स आनी हेर 3 जाणांचो आस्पाव आसा।
Hi, my name is Rachel Gomes and I'm a student of Zaporozhye State Medical University, Ukraine. So I went to Ukraine about a year back in February last year to study medicine. So I was very passionate about studying medicine and by God's grace it happened, so I traveled. And I came across this agency who texted me after I answered NEET. Then I applied, we contacted to them and through them we went. So everything was fine, everything was normal. I was very happy there. But then this year in 2022 of February, we got to know that there might be a war because there was news all around. So then everybody was thinking like what's going to happen and all. Our friends and all were telling us like be careful, what might happen there. So we were like fine, everything's normal. But then about like after the 15th of February, things were getting intense. And we got to know that Russia is planning for a war. So we decided to leave. Like we were about 7 to 8 of us in our friend circle. So we decided to leave. We went at around 10 o'clock or something in the night. We booked the ticket for the bus and we made it on the spot.